Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off safe mode on Tumblr using your PC in 2025. In order to do it, first of all, you need to come at tumblr.com and log in into your account. Once you have successfully logged in, your Tumblr dashboard should look something like this. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on settings. In your settings, you just have to scroll all the way down, and here you will see the option or the section of contents that you see. Now over here on this page, you need to try to find this option that says show mature content. Right next to it, you will see this toggle button. So you just have to click on it and you need to turn it off. The wording may slightly different depending on the Tumblr's UI updates. It can be hide sensitive content or safe mode. Currently it is with the name show mature content, so you need to just turn off this mode. And Tumblr may also ask you for the confirmation or verifying your age if your account isn't already marked as 18 plus. So you need to complete that if needed. If you are under 18, Tumblr's safe mode cannot be turned off due to their community guidelines, so you need to keep that thing in mind. Now once you are done it, you just have to come at the dashboard and you can start using Tumblr account by turning off the safe mode. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.